How to get Google reviews for a water damage restoration company. Review is revenue. How reviews affect revenue for your water damage restoration business. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. Warren Buffett. If you are looking for more business and not wish to spend more on advertising, watch this video. Reviews for a company is the lifeblood that flows through its veins, bringing it life or a slow demise. This is because 98% of people report that they read online reviews about local businesses before reaching out to them. Today, 93% of people read online reviews before they make a purchase, therefore, reviews for business directly affect its revenue. If nearly all your potential customers for your water damage restoration company are looking at reviews, do you think maybe it is time to take a look at yours? Review is revenue. Shiraj, MD. 97% of consumers search online for local businesses. 12% on a daily basis. The value of a good reputation has been known for centuries. Regard your good name as the richest jewel you can possibly be possessed of. Socrates. This trend is the result of local customers connecting their phones to maps and Google accounts. What sources of reviews are the most important? While reviews matter, some are more important than the others. Google reviews take the lion's share, at 73%. Yelp, at a lower 6%, takes the next place, and Facebook, at 3%. Together, they account for most of the reviews, adding up to a whopping 81%. The other sites all combined make up the remaining 19%. That will be the medical review sites, dental review sites, AVDO, and other trade-specific and profession-specific sites. So, whether you've been in business for years, or just starting out, focus your efforts on Google reviews, and on how to get Google business reviews. Later we can talk about how to get reviews on Yelp and other sites. Google reviews, and in fact any reviews, are important for your water damage restoration business, because over 95% of people go online to learn more about businesses, and water damage restoration company hiring decisions are made only after reviewing a restoration company's online reputation. Since 75% of all online reviews are left on Google, you want to think about how to get reviews in Google, and how to get Google reviews from customers. For these reasons, having some way, or someone, to monitor your Google business profile, Google My Business, becomes necessary. Would you like a free report prepared for you, free of charge, about your online presence, so you can know exactly what the competition is doing, and how you can do better? Request it at reviewisrevenue.com. For best results, and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings for your water damage restoration business. Wishing you success, on behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off, and thanks for watching.